So let's go over how you export your film. Well, export, it should be like exporting, should be going from the computer. Anyway, when we are exporting our film, it depends on what software you're using, of course. You have Adobe Premiere, you have DaVinci Resolve, you have Final Cut Pro. These are kind of the main editing softwares. And it is a fairly straightforward way. Well, that didn't sound right. I mean, everything is simple when you know it, right? But I would say, regardless of what editing software you're using, learning how to export it is one YouTube video away. And I'm not trying to sidestep that you need to learn this. But I would just say, yeah, it's one YouTube video away because every software is different. Yeah, but they have all these export functions. Did I really teach this, or did I just ask YouTube to teach it for me?